Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. Today we are not talking about Ryobi. We are actually talking about Milwaukee tool. Now this is something that I never thought that I'd be talking about, and I didn't know I hadn't had a problem until I saw this tool, and then I knew that I had a problem. So vacuums are a necessity for everyone, and you got to use them because you got to pick up dust and everything else and blah blah blah. You know what it is. But in the world of shop vacs, you have smaller shop vacs. These are considered service shop vacs. You have mid-sized shop vacs, and then you have larger shop vacs. And I'm just going to show you the head here. This is typically 1 1/4 inches. This is 1 7/8 inches right here. And then this bigger one is 2.5 inches. Now, depending on what you need it for, well, you're going to have a whole bunch of different fittings to fit these tubes. And if you don't, then you're going to use adapters just like these, because this is going to fit here, but it's not going to fit here, vice versa. Everything else, you know what I'm talking about. And then I was taking a stroll through the good old Home Depot, and I saw this on the shelf. And the thing I love about Milwaukee tool is this. Once they start developing a tool, they do it to the best of the industry, and then they go much further than the industry because they actually go out with trade members, people actually in the trades. They go in the field, they identify problems, and boom, they develop it, they put it into testing, and they make it the best they possibly can make it, and they make the trade members' life just so much easier. So this is considered to be in the air tip family. Now if you look at this, it has a flexible center here, and you got to press these two buttons, and the top locks into place. This is critical. Now you have 90 degrees, 45 degrees. This is straight, and then it goes the other way. The reason why I bought this tip right here, it was $25, is because I can get into any direction or place, and you can just get in there and work it just like this. A lot of the tips are not like that, or you're going to be buying a ton of different tips. Detail tips, angle tips, scoop tips, brush tips, all that stuff. Now, if you look at the line of air tip tools, you're going to see a plethora of different tools that they make, and they are very impressive, and they are this is really good plastic. It's really strong, and the best part about it is it works with all three of these without any of those right there. You don't need an adapter. So this goes inside right here for the 1 1/4 inches, no problem. On the 1 7/8 inches, it fits right on it, no problem. And then the 2.5 inches, it goes in there, no problem. Almost dropped the vacuum. To me, that right there is the game changer. It has the tip that's universal. Now, Milwaukee's not making some specialized tip that's twist and lock or whatever that only works for their tools. They're helping the industry by making this fit all the other sizes of the tubes for shop vacs, or any of the hoses, I mean to say, not tubes. And they're helping everyone do it. So you're going to be able to use this with any shop vac that you possibly have. You're going to be able to utilize it. Now, being at $25, I think it's pretty good value. You may think it's expensive, but use it a few times. It may make your life a lot easier. So anyways, this is just a really cool tool. I wanted to show you all. I know you look around, you're going to see a sea of green, and that's fine, but that doesn't mean I don't appreciate other tool brands, and I know they're both by TTI. So calm down, everybody. I know they're in the same family, but it's still a different tool brand. I hope that you all enjoyed this. Really appreciate you all. I hope to see you in the next video. God bless everybody, and take care.